load also. Similarly, on trade side transactions, we have come up with a process called 135, where we can settle inward remittances within 1 hour, all BG issuance within 3 hours, all outward remittance within 5 hours. So many things which we are providing to customers, which can give them efficiency and also solutions which can improve their overall working. And as a bank, we also provide their complete investments and insurance solutions through our group companies. We also provide advisory in terms of private equity placements, venture capital or IPO advisory. So as a bank, not only limited to lending side, there are a lot of facilities which we can offer to MSME customers, which will help them to improve their efficiencies through digital adoptions.
Thank you very much. Now we'll come to Chetanji. He used for Tarunji, Tapanji. Any particular, could you elaborate on the instruments both with regard to current financing as well as trade financing?
So, you know, what Siddharth said, I would only put it that way, that though we are only a 7-year-old bank, we are quite young. But the benefit is the experience of the other banks. So we are on every digital platform, we are also equivalently available. Now, if I have to put it to perspective to it, then on the current account, because when a MSME is coming to any bank, it is not only the asset side which they look across, it is also the liability management, which is the current account which they manage. So there, the specificity of what are the key requirements. Now, like, you know, what is the key thing is the transaction hours. Most of the banks have 2:33. We are available till 5 o'clock. So that is an extended working hour which we are giving to the customer, which gives them a comfort of their own work. They don't need to leave the work and send one person across to the bank. Most of the digital platform are also available to them, so they can utilize that.
Saturdays, Sundays also?
No, we are still on the 2 days off on the Saturdays and the 4 Saturdays off. So we are not 24/7 or like 365-day banking. But yeah, I think most of the time it is covered because, as you say, it's like right from 9:30 in the morning to 5 o'clock, and the extended hours are till 6 as well. So even if they want to do some personal transactions, it is extended hour till 6. And this is not in 1 or 2 branches, it is across all the branches across India. Over and above that, it is all the charges which we look into. So when it comes to specific transactions, charges for the transactions, that has also been equivalently placed into the accounts itself, so that they don't end up paying more. Like Madam said, there is a lot of losses. So when you deal with banks, it is not only the asset side, also on the liability side, you make a lot of losses when the charges are there and which you are not aware of it, or your transactional patterns are too high. If I go on to trade, last year, we were happy to have the AD1 license, because till then we were not, and we were the first small finance bank to have it. In 1 year across, we have all kind of products available which the other banks are doing. So that is where on trade also we are very, very placed in a way that where the margins are very minimal. The transacting time is as fast as any of the other banks which are available in India today. And the digital platforms are also available from day one when we have started trade transactions. So, and the advisory into trade is what we have added for the customers, because MSME usually end up where they do not take the right advice, and the pattern of to the documentation, because that can lead to huge losses in form of demurrages, in form of other penalties which can be coming across. So we are also present on advisory on that. So that is what from our side.
Thank you very much. We'll now move on to Madam again. Madam, what is the procedure by which, assuming MSMEs from Gujarat would like to onboard for lean manufacturing related BDS services, individually कर सकते हैं, group पे कर सकते हैं, procedure क्या है?
Ma'am, sir, initially they have to register on the lean.msme.gov.in. That's a portal of Google. उसमें portal में they have to register. Then मैंने कहा जैसे basic level है वो बिल्कुल free है, उसमें कुछ नहीं, उनमें they are just given a basic account of कि ये scheme क्या है, उनमें implement होगी, उनको क्या होगा, क्या उसके बारे में brief knowledge देते हैं. Once they have cleared their basic level, they are given a certificate. And then after a certificate they enroll into the intermediate level. Intermediate level के बाद हमारा वही cluster system बनता है, अब उसको हम group of enterprise बोलते हैं. 4 to 10 units MSMEs का जो same vicinity हो या nearby हो, उनका हम एक group of enterprise बनाते हैं. पर MSME गवर्नमेंट जो है हमारा 1.2 लाख इंटरमीडिएट लेवल में पड़ता है और 2.4 लाख एडवांस लेवल में पड़ता है, पर गवर्नमेंट 90 to 95% सब्सिडी देती है और MSMEs को हार्डली 5% देना पड़ता है अगर वो किसी OEM या इंडस्ट्री एसोसिएशन का पार्ट होते हैं। तो इट इम्प्लाइज कि ऑलमोस्ट इट इज़ फ्री फॉर द MSMEs, दे हैव टू जस्ट एनरोल एंड आई एम प्राउड टू से कि गुजरात फर्स्ट हमारी लिस्ट में आज 1 ईयर में या मोर लेस देन 1 ईयर में हम लोग के ऑलरेडी 127 GOEs बन चुके हैं जिसमें मोर देन 2000 यूनिट्स है और जिसमें महाराष्ट्र इज द ऑन द टॉप क्योंकि दे आर मोर अजाइल, दे आर मोर प्रोएक्टिवली एक्टिंग इनटू दिस। सेकंड नंबर पे हमारा गुजरात है जो अभी बढ़ रहे हैं, बट अभी जो डिस्कशंस यहाँ हुई हैं ICICI बैंक या SIDBI ने जो कही हैं, आई वुड, क्योंकि ये लोग भी कुछ स्कीम्स क्लस्टर्स में इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, सो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट देम इफ वी कैन कोलैबोरेट विद देम ताकि इनके क्लस्टर्स में कि MSMEs में हम ये इम्प्लीमेंट करें, जिससे क्या होगा कि इनको ये इंश्योर हो जाएगा कि इनका पैसा तो वापस आ जाएगा। सो दिस इज, तो आई से कि बहुत कम मिनिमल चार्जेस, हार्डली अगर हम काउंट करें तो हार्डली 1000 पर मंथ पड़ता है MSMEs को, वो तो देना बल्क में ही है बट इट्स वेरी, तो इसमें इनको रजिस्टर करने के बाद देन वी कैन इवन बिकॉज अ डिटेल प्रोसेस आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू गाइड टेल देयर, बट दे कैन एनी टाइम कॉल अस और दे कैन जस्ट रजिस्टर इनटू दिस email this site what I have told, and then they can know the process.
Samarji, on surety, how do we instill this culture? I just came as some principal secretary in one state government just called me, ESG karna hai. Are you doing ESG or not? I said we are 100 people, we are paying salaries also. ESG का कुछ है तो बताओ. ESG for throne, we have 40 lakh MSMEs in this state, 30 lakh MSMEs. How do we make them ESG compliant? Meaning, how do we introduce this culture that employee manpower welfare is also important in the smaller of the enterprises?
So, बहुत वैलिड क्वेश्चन है बिकॉज जैसे मैंने कहा कि हम भी छोटे एम्प्लॉयज़ कंपनी से चालू करते हैं एंड दैट्स आवर बिग बेस, 80% ऑफ आवर बेस इज़ बिलो 50 पीपल, करेक्ट। हम जब उनसे इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, हम जब उनसे बात करते हैं, सो देयर इज़ नेवर अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ इंटेंट, करेक्ट। सो वी नेवर फाउंड दैट ओ नहीं करना, करेक्ट। उनका क्वेश्चन यही होता है कि या तो बहुत महंगा है या तो हमको सही प्रोडक्ट है कि नहीं पता नहीं है। सब काफ़ी लोग उनको आके बोल के आते कि रिटेल का पॉलिसी ले लो या रिटेल का हेल्थ केयर ले लो और अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के दो रीइंबर्स कर लो। सो दे डोंट सी वैल्यू इन गिविंग। सो हमने 2-3 जो चीज़ें इंट्रोड्यूस की है जो जिसके लिए उनको काफ़ी वैल्यू दिखती है। एक तो हमारा जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है, जो हम बोलते हैं सब्सक्रिप्शन जो मंथली लेवल पर चार्ज करते हैं, वो लेस देन 150 रुपीज़ से स्टार्ट होता है पर एम्प्लॉय पर मंथ। सो दैट गिव्स देम द कंफर्ट that my out pocket or my expense is not going to be high. फिर हमने उसमें वैल्यू ऐड कैसे किया? हमने उसमें हेल्थ केयर इंक्लूड किया, मतलब डॉक्टर कंसल्टेशंस, लैब टेस्ट इंक्लूड किए। हमने नए कंपनीज के लिए मेंटल वेलनेस प्रोग्राम्स इंट्रोड्यूस की और उसके अलावा हमने इंश्योरेंस भी ऐड कर दिए, करेक्ट। तो उसमें होता क्या है कि उनको अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को बताने के लिए काफ़ी चीज़ें मिल जाती है विच इज़ वेरी मच वैल्यू एडिंग। एंड हमने एक फिर छोटा रिसर्च भी किया सर दैट हमने कुछ SMEs को पकड़े छोटे और उनके जो प्रोग्राम मैनेजर्स है, HR, तो उनसे बोला कि आप जब अट्रैक्ट करते हो टैलेंट, आप कुछ टैलेंट को बताओ कि हमारे पास ये ऑफरिंग्स है और कुछ टैलेंट को बताइए कि हमारे पास ये ऑफरिंग्स नहीं है। एंड मुझे आप बताइए कि उसमें कितना सक्सेस रेशियो होता है, बिकॉज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट लॉट ऑफ दिस MSMEs are hiring from bigger companies, correct? A consultancy company, IT company, they need talent from the Infosys of the world, TCS of the world, the big fours of the world. So now how do they match them? By salaries they can match. How do they match the benefits? So when we did that little research, we figured out that about 30 to 35% additional acceptance was happening when they included healthcare as a part of their offering. So when we talk in this language, it goes beyond insurance. It goes beyond a conventional thing like इंश्योरेंस लेना है एंड क्लेम क्या होगा, एंड इट मोर बिकम्स अ कल्चर फिट। एंड दैट इज वाई वी आर एबल टू अक्वायर अबाउट 400 to 450 SMEs every month, mostly digitally. So we are digital first thinking startup, and out of which I reiterated 80% of them are first time to health. So that is the success that we are trying to drive. We are trying to bring in new products which we keep adding. जैसे the next requirement that came to us from smaller businesses who work with us is that how do I take care of my cyber risk? Correct. So when we became corporate agent in 2022, the first insurance commercial we wanted to launch was cyber. Correct, because that saw the day, much quicker in this segment. Media में काफी reports आती है, so there is a lot of concern in this area. Correct. So these are the efforts we are taking as a company to disrupt this market.
Thank you very much. Now, Chaitanya, this question now is, how do we, two models. One is, should there be any policy change to further incentivize MSMEs to come on board, meaning their minimum capital requirements or meaning the due diligence requirements with regard to every quarterly submissions. That is one, policy related. If there is anything required, as per your perception and expertise. So, second one is what field level intervention is required. You know, the government of India, any program that they launch, say FPO, say cluster development, immediately people are trained. You know, cluster development, MSME, everyone is trained to be a cluster development executive. So there is field level dissemination people who facilitate this onboarding. So do we need a mix of both of these? How do we ensure that this really takes off? Access to equity markets other than transparency issues.
Sir, specifically from government side, as specifically I say, they are working on it. They are on toes. They are working for the MSME, not only for the equity side. If you heard when our RBI ex-governor has launched the 3 exchanges dedicatedly for the working capital management. If you heard the name of RXIL, which is a subsidiary company of NSE, and other 2, Axis has launched one particular company, and one private company has launched one other exchange. The focus is towards that 45 days rule has just implemented.